Okay, students. In this section, we can discuss about the first chapter of our first year physics syllabus, physical world. So, the weightage of physical world in IP examination will be asked only in 1 2 marks question. So, we can learn about the first 2 marks question. So, what is the first question? The question is, what is physics? So, this is the first question. Now, we can write the definition of the physics. So the first one, the first point of physics is the branch of science. So this is the first point. And second one, physics explains mass and energy. And third one, this is the most important point. So physics deals with, explains nature and basic laws of nature. So this is also called physics. So this is the first one. So in this one we can write in the examination point of view. So first one, how we can define physics. So in this one we can take the first point. Physics is the branch of science. So it will be award only 1 mark. And next one, physics explains mass and energy. So it will be award only 1 mark. So we can write the 2 points in examination point of view. It will be award 2 marks. And next one, the third point is physics is the subject with deals explain the nature. And also we can write some basic laws of nature. So in this definition we can write in examination point of view. It will be award directly 2 marks. So the second question is, I can write the question, what is the discovery of C.V. Raman? So this is the question. So the direct answer of the what is the discovery of C.V. Raman? So the answer is, we can write Raman effect. So when we can write this point, it will be award directly 2 marks. Or I can write the another answer, scattering of light by molecules. So this is also the answer of the discovery of C.V. Raman. So the question is, what is the discovery of C.V. Raman? So we can write the direct answer in the name of the C.V. Raman, Raman effect. Or what is the meaning of Raman effect? So we can write the inelastic or scattering of light by molecules. So in this one we can write any 1 point. It will be award 2 marks. And also if the point is, we can take the, we can write the examination point. It will be also award the 2 marks. So the next third question. So the third question is, what are the fundamental forces in nature? So the fundamental forces in nature are 4. So the first one, so the fundamental forces are 4. So the first one is gravitational force, and the second force is electromagnetic force, and third one is strong nuclear force, and fourth one is weak nuclear force. So these are the 4 fundamental forces. The question is, what are the fundamental forces in nature? So the fundamental forces are four. First one is gravitational force, second one electromagnetic force, third one strong nuclear force, and fourth one is the weak nuclear force. And next one, the fourth question, fourth one, which of the following has symmetry? So the question is A is the acceleration due to gravity, and B question, law of gravitation. So this is the question. So the fourth question, which of the following has symmetry? So we will be asking the 2 points, acceleration due to gravity and law of gravitation. So in this one, the answer is law of gravitation. So simply we can write law of gravitation. So next one, the fifth question. Fifth one is, what is the contribution of S. Chandrasekhar? What is the contribution of S. Chandrasekhar to physics? So this is the final question. So the answer is, in the name of the answer is, first one, the first point we can write Chandrasekhar limit, or we can write another point, structure and evaluation of stars. So this is the final question. So the question is, what is the contribution of S. Chandrasekhar? Means S. Chandrasekhar discovered the Chandrasekhar limit. So we can write the Chandrasekhar limit. It will be our 2 marks. Or the second point, structure and evaluation of stars.